Aromatherapy offers a natural solution to alleviate joint pain. By using essential oils, which are aromatic plant extracts, we can create blends that not only provide relief from knee pain and inflammation, but also promote better sleep. This blend can be used on other joints as well, such as ankles, elbows, and wrists, and even your finger joints. Hi, I'm Karen from Aroma Head, and a good night's sleep is crucial for the healing process. Knee pain can be so severe that it disrupts sleep, hinders our body's natural recovery. Fortunately, the aromatherapy blend in this video addresses both issues. To create this blend, we'll mix specific essential oils into a base of jojoba wax, which has an oily consistency. This combination creates a safe and effective blend that can be applied directly to the skin area, around any joints and around the knee. For this blend, we've chosen 5 different essential oils that work together to reduce pain, inflammation, and encourage deep sleep due to their calming effects on the mind. Our first oil is Roman chamomile. With its sweet, fruity, floral aroma, this essential oil alleviates inflammation, eases tension, and promotes relaxation. It's a popular oil for bedtime blends because it's so soothing and calming. Lavender is a well-known essential oil for emotional relaxation from physical pain and bringing us emotional relief too. Lavender soothes the body's inflammation and supports the natural healing process. Sweet orange is warm, it's fruity, it's very uplifting, and it's surprisingly effective at calming inflammation, making it an excellent choice for knee pain relief. And it also helps to reduce swelling. Then we have Palmarosa. Palmarosa is distilled from grass. It's floral, slightly herbal, and it helps to reduce inflammation and supports skin health. It's commonly used in blends to relieve pain, ease anxiety, and cool, warm, injured areas. Ylang Ylang is a heavy, floral scented oil. It deeply relaxes the nervous system. It reduces inflammation and helps to create a sense of safety, which allows the mind and the body to release tension. All 5 of these essential oils have been researched and proven to be effective at calming inflammation, relaxing the nervous system, and being gentle on the skin. They're perfect for a nighttime knee pain relief blend. To make this blend, I have poured 30 ml or 1 ounce of jojoba into this 1 ounce amber bottle. I filled it right up to the neck, just right below the neck actually is 1 ounce. And then we'll add our essential oils. We'll add 5 drops of Roman chamomile. 1 more. 5 drops of Roman chamomile, and then 5 drops of our beautiful Lavandula angustifolia, and 3 drops of sweet orange. So beautiful. There we go. 1 extra drop of sweet orange, and 3 drops of Palmarosa. It smells a little bit rosy as well. There we go. And then just 2 drops of our Ylang Ylang, because Ylang Ylang is very strong and a little goes a long ways. There we go. Now we'll cap the bottle and we'll gently shake to blend the oils. Like that. Roll it around, shake it around. Remove the top and slowly inhale this beautiful aroma. We call this the knee pain relief blend with essential oils. To alleviate your knee pain, apply a generous amount to your knees or your elbows or any joint before bedtime. If the knee pain wakes you up during the night, you can reapply this blend. Continuous use may yield better results than a single application. And again, breathe in on your hands after you apply the blend. To learn more about relieving pain with essential oils, check out our in-depth workshop, Harness the Power of Essential Oils for Pain. The link to this course is in the description below. If you've enjoyed this video, leave me a comment and be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.